Ready to supercharge your lead generation and skyrocket your conversions? Today, we're diving deep into Systeme to build a landing page that gets results. First things first, let's get into Systeme. Navigate to the funnel section and click on Create to start a new funnel. Give your funnel a descriptive name like Lead Magnet Opt-in and select the Build a Funnel option from the funnel types. Choose Sell a Product or Collect Leads depending on your goal, and then click Save. Now, let's pick a template that fits your brand and offer. Systeme offers a fantastic library of pre-designed landing page templates. Browse through them. Looking for one that aligns with your visual style and has a clear structure for your message and call to action? Click on the template you like to select it. Once your template is loaded, it's time to customize. The Systeme editor is incredibly intuitive. You can click on any text element to edit it, change fonts, sizes, and colors to replace images. Simply click on the image placeholder and upload your own. Drag and drop functionality allows you to rearrange sections or add new elements like video embeds or custom HTML. The heart of any landing page is its form for capturing leads. Find the form element in the editor and drag it onto your page. Click on the form to customize the input fields. You can add or remove fields like name, email, or even custom questions. Crucially, link this form to your Systeme contact list or an automation rule. Don't forget to customize the submit button text to make your call to action crystal clear, like download now or get access. Before you hit publish, dial in your optimization. Click on the settings or SEO tab for your landing page. Here, you can set your page title and meta description, which are vital for search engine visibility. Consider a compelling headline and a clear benefits-driven description. Also, preview how your page will appear on different devices to ensure a seamless mobile experience. And that's it. You've just created an impactful landing page with Systeme. Save your changes and then hit publish now. Go forth and generate some amazing leads.